Y'all the second group. I actually want to look at that. Let me clarify that one. That one threw me a little off. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. Let me see what's going on. Clarify passion for me. Why is that here? Why is that here for my Pisces? Clarify passion, please. Why is passion here? Trust. Okay, got it. Alright, so the person that you guys were dealing with, there was a strong connection between the two of you. And you felt it, the other person felt it. It was, I mean, it's just strong. Y'all was just with each other, but at the end of the day, this person broke your trust. And, you know, Pisces, like I said, you were dealing with, you know, someone else. They broke your trust. Cross-watcher, you could have been dealing with a Pisces that broke your trust. So that's why I feel like a lot of you guys were struggling. But at the end of the day, what I do, like, y'all are moving forward. So you're putting your foot down. You're like, enough is enough. So, yes. Oh, amen. Y'all know I've been rooting for you guys. Like, now, don't let me see this and then we get through the spread and y'all backtrack and y'all get me, I'm starting to cough or whatever, and then I'm going to have to shut this down, okay? So, I hope what I'm seeing here is how this is going to play out. Pisces, don't make me haunt y'all in y'all dreams, okay? I ain't figured out how to do that just yet, but if I figure it out, I'm coming. I'm playing. I'm not going to do that. I'm a sweetheart, but I'm not playing. Yeah, okay. Anyway, so let's hop in. And let's see how this plays out. And I really hope this is going to be a good reading because y'all been struggling for a while. I can't take it. So let's see. I'm rooting for y'all. Here we go. Oh, hallelujah. Okay, look at that. Bottom of the deck, you guys have the Three of Cups reversed. This is telling me that you removed yourself from some type of third-party situation. And I'm jumping to the third party because that's what I've been seeing with you guys for the last couple of videos that I've uploaded up here on YouTube. So, you guys put yourself first. Thank you. I love it. Come on, Pisces. Y'all just better stick together. Look at that. Okay, so anyway, I have the Tower here reversed, so it looks like some type of truth came out. And you guys are realizing that this person does not bring balance to the relationship, to the situation, whatever you had going on. But see, didn't I tell y'all, every time y'all sit here and try to break things off with this individual, they try to come back. They want to turn things around. They want to fix it. So let's see how y'all handled it. Yeah, look at that. Look, see? This person's going to come back to give you an offer. Look, they're trying to clear away obstacles because they want to be with you. So let's see how this plays out. Somebody's not happy. Clarify the Sun in reverse. Somebody's not happy because the seeds that they planted, they wanted to grow. Okay, so I feel like this is you guys. You, like I was saying before, there was a lot of passion. You cared about this person. You loved this person. You really wanted things to work out. But this person kept playing games. So here they come trying to offer you stability now. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Clarify the Emperor. Didn't I tell you? Didn't. All right, we're going to see how, if I start coughing. All right, Pisces, but this person is sneaky. This person is the person you were dealing with is very controlling, and they're very sneaky. They're very manipulative, stubborn. Like, no, let me see. Tell me more. All right, so somebody made a decision. Okay, what's the decision here? They removed themselves. They didn't see anything improving with this person, so they removed themselves from this individual. Okay. Yeah, you guys realized that there was no balance with them. Could have been dealing with a Gemini. Why is the Ten of Pentacles here? Hold on. Clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Yep, just as I thought. Yeah, okay, so whoever you guys were dealing with, they were definitely dealing with someone else. Or there was just like another party here, and y'all know third party. Could be family, friends, career, another man, woman. Just take it however it fits your situation. But there was definitely somebody here that did not want things to get off the ground with you. And I felt like your person kept falling into temptation, or they just kept giving into whoever this other person was. And you removed yourself. You're like, I'm done. And see, now this person wants to rush back in because they don't want you to leave them alone. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But see, at this point, you're no longer putting any time, effort, or energy into the situation with them, and you're focusing on yourself. Yes, Pisces, I love it. Yes, because you're realizing that there's no balance with them. Yes. Okay. And you're moving on. I'm going to throw my cards. Pisces. I love y'all, okay? This is what I've been wanting to see. Yes, I love it. You could have been dealing with another Sagittarius, but you're over it. You're done. You're moving on. You're starting on a new path. You're like, I'm not dealing with the BS anymore. Look at that. You removed yourself from this third-party situation. Even though you're disappointed, you had to let it go because you saw that it was a cycle. It was going to keep going on and on and on. And you're like, no, you put yourself first, and I love it. Because I'm telling you, there was no balance with this person. Maybe this person ain't had no money. I don't know. But you're over it. See? There was no hope in this situation. You could have been dealing with an Aquarius. I feel like the way the Five of Cups came out, for some of you guys who do have stability, like you're on your grind, money is good, you could have been given to this person and you feel like this person just played you. You know, if money isn't involved in this situation, I feel like you guys were just really in your feelings. You were sad, and now you're healing. You're getting out of that energy. But see, this person doesn't know what to do because they want to give you an offer. Because see, now they know you're done. You're not playing their little game no more. And see, I'm telling you, you guys felt stuck in a situation, but maybe for some of you guys, this person was giving you money or helping you out some type of way. And that's what kept some of you holding on. But you guys are realizing, like, I don't give a damn what you're giving me. My self-respect comes first. Love yourself first. So you guys freed yourself excuse me, out of this situation. You let it go. There's the Hierophant. So somebody could be dealing with the Taurus. I want to know what's going on with this Hierophant. Let me see. Clarify. Oh, hell. See? Now that... Y'all, I don't know who you are dealing with, but they refuse to let you go. Because, see, now this person's going to try to come back offering you the commitment that you've wanted this entire time. They want to have a victory with you. They want something that leads to marriage, but, see, you're walking away from them. They're toxic. You know that. You're walking away from them. See, you're healing. This person, it's like every time you think about them, you're remembering all the times that they hurt you, all the times that they stabbed you in the back. You're healing. But somebody is frustrated about money, or they're frustrated about the seeds that they planted not growing with this individual. Somebody is realizing that they're not going to have a new beginning, and they're back and forth. Okay, so clarify the Nine of Pentacles. So let me see. Okay, see, yeah. Somebody's worried about money here. Some of you guys are trying to figure out if you really should get out of this situation if you have not already left just yet. For a lot of you, I feel like you have. But this person is trying to hold on tight. I'm telling you, they're coming in trying to give you something, whether it's money, gift, trips, whatever the case is, to have you stay. But let's see how this plays out. Tell me more. Yeah, see, you guys are no longer in your head about it. You're no longer confused. You're no longer frustrated. You know what you have to do with this person. See, look at that. Look at that. Somebody's made a decision. What is the decision here for Pisces? I don't like it's back and forth. Okay, the way that came out, I mean, you could be dealing with a Leo, but one minute someone has the strength to move on, but the next minute they don't. But thank you. I'm so glad to see that. You could be dealing with a Capricorn, but you're walking away from this person. You're definitely walking away, and you're using your intuition because you know you have to get away from this person. This person is, they're horrible. See, Pisces, okay, you could be dealing with a Scorpio, but I'm going to be honest with you, just looking at these two cards here, this is telling me you had to go through this because you are going through a transformation. Bump the other person right now. This is you. You're going through a transformation. A lot of you are going through a spiritual awakening, and it's like you were dealing with a karmic soulmate, this person that had to come into your life to set you on the path that you're supposed to be on for you to do great things. And so this person, it's like you may not accept what I'm saying right now, because I know before I didn't accept it when I first heard it from myself, when I dealt with my karmic soulmate. But I'm so grateful that person came into my life, because this person coming into my life put me on the path as to where I am right now, to the point where I can help you guys. You get what I'm saying? So everything that you went through, you may not understand why you went through it, but there's a reason. And maybe you guys supposed to be sharing your story or helping other people or whatever the case is, so you can move forward. And you're definitely going through a transition here. You're going through that transformation, because some of you guys are awakening now. I love this. This looks good. And it's hard. And it's hard. Now, you know what? And this is interesting. I'm seeing this because the last couple of readings, as hard as it was for a lot of you guys to get away from this person, I had a feeling that this was why you were having a hard time, because a lot of you were dealing with a karmic soulmate. And that connection is so crazy, it's so strong, because you dealt with this person in a past life. And at times you feel like this is just like the person for you, like this is it, this is the one, because that connection is so strong. But that's not the case at all. You guys are definitely, that person put you on a path where you are awakening spiritually right now. You're going through, and a lot of y'all know what I'm talking about, because you've been noticing certain things that you ain't never seen before. So, but see what I'm saying? Look! There's a new beginning. I'm telling you, you guys are birthing something new off of the fact this person came into your life and showed you something y'all, I don't even know where to begin. I love it. This looks good. Yes, Pisces. Yes. Okay. So I feel like you guys are birthing something new in your life by going through this situation, and you're realizing with this person that you're dealing with, you do not want a new opportunity with them. Like, you're done. See? Now you're trying to stay positive. You're manifesting stuff in your life that you want. And you know, in order for that to happen, you have to cut off toxic people. You have to cut off toxic behaviors even within yourself that you have been tolerating and going through and putting up with, not only with this person, but people in past relationships, family members, friends, co-workers, whoever. You guys are just cutting all of that out. It's like, you know what your worth is. You see clear now. Like, I love it. And you're working hard. Pisces, girl. Well, I said girl. Guys too. But I love it. See? You guys are no longer feeling like you were left out in the cold. You're healing. You are definitely healing. Look at that. Okay, let me back up. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, because I was getting excited. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I just feel like you guys just focusing on yourself. You're focusing on your finances. And I feel like by you moving away from this person and you're focusing on yourself, there's going to be somebody new coming in. And this person is going to give you what it is that you want. They're going to give you everything that you deserve, because you're not tolerating anything less. And I love it. You're going to be very confident when this person comes in. Tell me more.
Good. Oh, this is gonna be good. And I'm not even hearing the time frame, because I wish I could tell you. But let's just see when this plays out. But if you're interested in a personal reading, please send me an email. I will leave the information in the description box. But that's what I have for you guys today. So I will talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye. You guys. Bye. You guys.